make the web page load when these gardening tools are clicked. As I said when I started the lesson, I used the image map for that. Well, let's see how to create the code in that way. Now I enter next to this div close tag in the 24th line and open the map tag in the 25th line. Now the name created with the hashtag of the use map tag is imported as an attribute called name inside this map tag. The name in this name must be the same as the name given to the use map tag. That is how we identify that the use to click the areas of this image. Now the image we imported is linked to this map tag. Now let's see how to create the clickable areas in this image. Now enter this map close tag twice and take it to the 27th line. In the 26th line, I open the area tag. Now let's separate the areas to click inside this picture. For that, shape equals double quotation, type as circle inside this area tag. This tag says that we choose to click on the circular part. Now I enter an attribute called codes in the next line. Coordinates can be named in this way. Each image has two axes called X and Y. We can also call them a horizontal axis and a vertical axis. The point where the beginning of these two axes, X and Y, occur is called the 0 of 0. That means the position of 0 on both of these X and Y axes. Since the width is 800 and the height is 496 in our picture, we can say that the coordinates on the right side is 800 and 0. At the bottom of the left side, we can call it 496 and 0. Since we need a circular part, we need to find the center of the selected circular part of the X and Y coordinates related to the center. Also, the radius of the circle is found to show how much the circle spreads. This is how we separate the areas of the picture. So you can find these areas exactly from the website that comes up when you press the link one button below. Well, now I found the coordinates of the images in the picture. Now let's code it. I will first type the codes related to the wheelbarrow in this picture. Next to the word codes equals double quotation 100, 350, 100 is entered as the coordinates related to the circular shape. Now go to the next line, alt equals double quotation, wheelbarrow is typed. Now I will give a hyperreference to the web page called wheelbarrow.html when we click on this area. You may remember that I have previously prepared pages for these images. Now in the 30th line, target equals double quotation underscore blank is given. This attribute says when we click on this area, the link we give will open in a new blank page. Now let's see if the area we created is linked correctly. Now we click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. As you can see, when I move the cursor to this wheelbarrow, our icon changes. Now let's click on this area. When we click to see this, our linked web page opened in a new window. It was directed like this because we gave blank to the target. Well, now let's make the other areas in the same way.